Hello, everyone! We are here for the daily safe check.
Safety check! Just means more waiting! I want to work! Okay, team. Today's lesson is about safety cones. Cones are like a warning. Be careful! Don't come here! Cones are just in the way. They slow us down. Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner. Huh? Stay safe, Bruner. Don't lift anything too heavy.
Patrol, safety. Now we can finally get some REL work done, and fast.
Oh, come on. The path I need is right on the other side. Going all the way around will take forever. See? It looks fine to me. Just a little sticky. It is not that wet. There. Path is clear. Come on, Mickey. I found a super fast shortcut. Follow me. Ooh, a shortcut. Mickey loves shortcuts. Right behind you, Bruner. Whoa. I am stuck. Oh no! Mickey, stop spinning your wheels. You are sinking.
Cannot reach you. It is too sticky.
Oh no, the cones. Jin and Poli were right. This is all my fault. Jin, Robocar Poli Rescue Team, help! It is an emergency at the construction site. Mickey is stuck.
Oh no. We are on our way, Bruner. Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue. Bruner! What happened to the safety cones?
No time for that now. We have to get him out. Helly, what does it look like from above? Jin, I am scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no! The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing. That means it is turning into a solid.
Gotcha, Mickey. Hold on tight.
He is not budging. Oh no, my wheels. I am sinking too. Stop, Roy. You will only get stuck deeper. This isn't just a pulling problem. Roy has no traction.
Traction. That is the grip your tires need to push or pull. The mud is too soft and slippery.
We need to give him something solid to stand on. The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads.
Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready for her.
Okay, Bruner, perfect. I have got it. Coming in, Roy. Get ready. Perfect, Helly. Going back for the second one. Activating. Stabilizer jacks.
It is all about support. The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out so he won't sink. Okay, Mickey, this is it. Mega winch. B-U-L. I am moving. I am moving. Pull, Roy. Pull.
He is free. You did it, Roy. Teamwork. You are safe, Mickey. But you are going to need a really big wash. Jin, Poli, I am sorry. I moved the cones. I thought I was being fast, but I just made a big mess. Admitting you are wrong is very brave, Bruner. Safety rules are there to protect you and your friends.
Remember, everyone, always follow the safety signs. Let's be safe together.
Wait! Everyone, what is that sound? His backup alarm is broken. He cannot see the wall. Titan, stop! S-T-O-P! I have got it! Are you two okay? Wow, Poli, you saved us!
Roy cannot hold it forever. The base is broken. We have to secure the wall.
I will fix it! No, Bruner! Stop! You are making it worse!
The wall has lost all its structural integrity. We need to support it from the outside. Engineering. We need to build buttresses. Angled supports that will push against the wall. Those beams, I can push them into place. I will do it right this time.
A little to the left, Bruner.
Bruner, perfect.
Now push it against the base. It is in place. Great. Now one more.
Whew. It is stable. Great job, Bruner. I helped.
Titan, we need to get your backup beeper fixed right away. It is an important safety sound. Always respect the safety cones. And don't push a falling wall. Teamwork and engineering solve everything.
Another successful rescue for the Robocar Poli Rescue Team.
Micky, slow down. And that is why we always check our equipment. Bye-bye. Thanks for saving me. Whoops.
Don't worry, Micky. I know exactly how to get you out. Just don't use a shortcut.
Thanks for helping us on our construction adventure. See you next time. Be safe.
Today's safety tip. Always check your vehicle's safety sounds before you start work. And remember, safety cones are your friends. Never, ever move them. If you see a friend in trouble, don't try to fix it yourself. Call for help right away. Always pay attention to your surroundings. Look and listen for dangers. How? See you next time, heroes. Huh?
Okay, Micky, grab on. I cannot reach. Don't worry, Roy. I will make a lever. Oof. Maybe we should use the winch.
Good idea, Bruner.
Thanks, Bruner. Okay, Micky, pull. Today, we learned about viscosity. That is what makes concrete sticky and thick.
We also learned about TR traction. Roy's wheels slipped, so we used stable traction pads. And we used engineering to build buttresses. These beams keep the wall from falling.
Construction sites are dangerous. Never play on a site and always obey safety signs. Whee! It tickles! Okay, I am clean.
Safety first. Huh? That was a busy day. Bruner learned a very important lesson.
He sure did. And I am glad Micky is okay. That concrete was hardening fast. One small mistake can turn into a big emergency. That is why we follow the rules.
Thanks for joining us. Be safe out there.